Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm gonna show you this really simple tutorial on how to actually steam some green banana. Really easy tutorial, so let's get to it. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some green banana. So I have some green banana that is really nice and green, and I have a bunch of about 6 of them. So the amount that you are using, that is what you will be working with. So I'm working with 6. So if you want to use something like 4, 2, maybe 8, then you use the amount that you're going to need. You're also going to need a large saucepan, and you're also going to need a steaming basket, some water, and some olive oil. So I already showed you guys how I boil green banana. So steaming is another cooking method for banana or any type of vegetable. I had some leftover green banana, so I wanted to show you guys how I steam it as well, and I find that steaming does retain a lot of the texture and also nutrients. So this is why I want to show you guys how to actually steam as well as boiling green banana. So you can do any, and I do prefer to keep the skin on, but you can also remove the skin for this tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do is to set up our steaming basket. So I'm just going to pour some water into my saucepan. So you need to just fill it by just a quarter. So just a small amount of water is needed. And then I'm going to add some olive oil. So the olive oil is just to make sure that any of the residue that may come off during the steaming process, it doesn't ruin my pot. So I'm just going to add some olive oil, and then I'm going to carefully insert my steaming basket and leave the water to simmer on medium-high heat. So now I'm just going to prepare my hands by just adding a small amount of olive oil to my hands and rubbing them. You can also use gloves instead, and this is going to stop any stickiness or residue going on your hands. So what I'm going to do now is prepare my green banana for steaming. So how I do that is I slice off the top and the bottom. So I slice it off completely of the green banana, and then I just score lengthways down the skin. So you just want to score enough so that the skin is what you are just scoring down, not the actual peel. If you want to, you can completely remove the peel, but I find that in part of the steaming process it is better to keep the green banana in its peel, but it's up to you what you want to do. So you want to do that to all of them, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do next. So this is what the green banana looks like after we've removed the top and bottom, and we've also scored them as well. So now that we have the steaming basket set up and the water is nice and hot, we're just going to carefully place the green banana on top of the steaming basket. So you just want to arrange them. Don't worry about too much about how to arrange them, because they will steam anyway, so don't worry about that too much. So once we put that on, we're just going to put the lid on, and we're just going to steam them until they're tender. So now I'm just going to determine the readiness by removing the lid, and then I'm going to get a slotted spoon and a fork, and I'm just going to carefully pick up one of the green banana and check that it is fork tender. It's going to take about, say, 15 minutes or so, so you want to make sure that is fork tender. That is the most important thing. So the only thing you need to do now is to leave the green banana to cool down. So mine is completely cooled down, and then I'm just going to remove the skin. If you already took the skin off to begin with, you won't need to do this step, but I'm going to show you just like 2 or 3 of them on camera to show you what they look like. See how the texture is still there, and the color as well. It's not gray or that typical color that you get from boiling them, and that is pretty much how you can steam green banana on the stove top using a steam basket. A really simple tutorial, recipe, whatever you want to call it, and I hope you guys try it out. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.